So this is a situation where we wanted to find missing measurements. In other words, we have the area given to us, but we don't have one of the pieces. Okay, so if I look at this, my area is 72.8 square inches, and I'm given 13.9 as one of the bases, and 8. This is definitely the height that we would use. That's h. But this value here, this is the unknown. This is the base that we want to know. So I can call that b. Okay, if I want to use that. So my area is BH. If I substitute what I do know, area is 72.8. Base is B. And height is 8. Okay? So to solve this one, I simply just divide it by 8. Both sides. Okay? So my base is equal to 72.8 divided by 8, which would be 9.1. The units would be inches. Okay? Same deal with this one. You really have to make sure that you identify the correct value here. So this is my area, 63. I have two different bases, 13.6 and 9. I have to make sure that I choose the one that's perpendicular to this, which is, we'll call that h. I'm looking at this. This is perpendicular, and it would be at the 9 one. So this will be my base. So 9 is the base. I can write my formula again. You don't have to write the formula out every time, but it doesn't hurt to put it all together. So my base would be 9. My height would be h. Divide by 9 to cancel out. So h is equal to 7. In this case, it would be feet.